Okay. What is up? This is Steve from Wonders.my, and iOS 11 is finally out. But should you update? Let's walk through some of the major changes in Apple's latest software. The first big change for the new software is how it looks and feels. On the redesigned lock screen, you can no longer swipe from the top to access your notifications. Instead, you swipe from the bottom. You can simply tap on your notifications to open them, and there's a new unlock interface for that. The control center is totally redesigned. For better or worse, you can add custom shortcuts to it, and you can 3D touch on all of them to access hidden menus. If you swipe down, you get the new notification center, or as Apple calls it, cover sheet. It's basically your lock screen. You've got new animations, new icons, and slightly new app designs. If you want to rearrange your icons, long gone is the need to drag your apps one by one. You can drag and drop multiple apps at once and move them to a new place. You can now type to Siri instead of speaking to it. You can call an Uber with it, and you can ask for translations in certain languages. The App Store is totally redesigned. It's this big cart laid out with autoplay videos and bold animations. There's a new cool prompt when you purchase an app. In the camera app, you can quickly scan QR codes. If you take a live photo, you have a couple of different effects. So you have loop, bounce, and long exposure. In case you don't know what's a live photo, you go to your camera and turn on this circle thing in the middle. It turns yellow and says live photo. Once you take it, you can 3D touch on it to view it. It's basically a short clip / boomerang. In the Notes app, you can scan documents easily. You can search for handwritten notes. Works pretty well. In the settings, there is a new interface to manage your storage, which is really handy for those with 16 or 32 gig phones. You can offload unused apps, which deletes any apps that you've barely touched to clear space, but keeps the app data. So if you need to use it in the future, you can re-download it. There's a one-handed mode in the keyboard, and there's a screen recording feature that records your friend's snap without them knowing. On the iPad side, the changes are more noticeable. There's a new dock where you can put however many apps as you want, and you can bring it up wherever you want. There's a new gesture to open the multitasking pane, and improved split screen modes. You can drag and drop almost anything, and you can quickly access symbols in the keyboard by swiping down on the keys. So, should you update? I think you should. I've been using the beta since July, and initially I thought the cover sheet was stupid and the control center was downright ugly AF. But I've grown to like it a lot. I don't think anyone will regret updating, unless you're using an iPhone 5S. More on that on another video. So, will you be updating? Let us down in the comments below. If you like what you saw, please give us a like and share this video. And I'll see you guys the next time.